Hello friends, welcome to Vikas Academy. Today we'll be discussing Battle of Plassey. This battle was fought between East India Company and Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Daulah. It was actually fought along the Hooghly River near Plassey. Plassey is a place in Bengal right now. Plassey is Anglicized version of Plassey, right? This battle actually changed the history of India. How it changed? We'll discuss step by step. First thing is that it was fought between East India Company and Siraj-ud-Daulah. From East India Company, Robert Clive was the leader, was the leading actor, you can say. And from Nawab side, or you can say Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Daulah was there. So it was directly fought between Robert Clive and Siraj-ud-Daulah. However, in this battle, Siraj-ud-Daulah lost. And Robert Clive defeated severely, seriously damaged all properties in Bengal and captured finally Bengal in 1757. Question comes to our mind, why Siraj-ud-Daulah was defeated? Despite large number of army, soldiers, more than 20,000 soldiers, and East India Company had only 3,000 soldiers. Why Siraj-ud-Daulah lost the battle? Very simple. Mir Jafar, who was general, army general of Siraj-ud-Daulah, betrayed Siraj-ud-Daulah. Simply you can say Mir Jafar was a traitor, and Mir Jafar informed all important information to East India Company, to Robert Clive, to English people. And Mir Jafar was bribed by East India Company. And Mir Jafar was offered that if Mir Jafar will help, then definitely after the battle, next Nawab will be Mir Jafar. That means if Siraj-ud-Daulah loses, then Nawab will be Mir Jafar. That's why out of, you can say, illusion, Mir Jafar cooperated your English people, and finally Siraj-ud-Daulah was defeated. This is the point you should remember. And after this battle, how you can say why this battle changed the history of India? Because you see, English people came to India in 1600 for the sole purpose of business, trade, commerce. However, slowly, steadily, they established private armies, constructed killas, forts in Bengal Presidency, in Madras Presidency, and Bombay Presidency, everywhere. And in this battle, what happened actually? They completely established British Empire in India. It will be better to say this battle was the beginning of British Empire in India. This battle is the first victory of English East India Company. This battle changed the destiny of India because East India Company took many territories into their hands. That's why we call British Empire started here in this Battle of Plassey. My friends, you have to remember few things for exam point of view. First thing is that question may be asked, in which year Battle of Plassey was fought? 1757. 23rd June 1757. Who were the belligerents? One side, your East India Company, Robert Clive. Another side, Siraj-ud-Daulah, independent king of Bengal. Question may be asked, Plassey or Plassey is located in which state of India? Bengal. Right? These are the few things you should remember for exam point of view. I think you got all these points. Wish you happy learning. Thank you for watching Vikas Academy.